Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple dependent drop-down menus in Excel. In this example, we have two drop-down menus, one in type column and one in category. The menu in the category column it depends on the menu in the type column. If I select a value here, now there would be a different and unique list for this value. So these values all depends on this value, right? If I change the value, now there would be another different list where depends on this value, right? So if I don't select something here, now you will not see something because we haven't selected anything here. So if you want to create these kind of drop-down menus in Excel, watch the video till the end and let's get started. Now I'm going to create a first menu in type column. To create a first menu, first select the whole column, then click on data menu. Here click on data validations. So instead of any value, select a list. In this list we will have two value, income and expense. Now you can see a drop down menu in each cell. To create the second one in category column, it's a bit different from the first one because we have a list here. So for this reason I created a new sheet. In this sheet we have two lists, one for income and one for expense, right? So first select the whole range, then press Ctrl T to transform this range into a table. Then my table has headers. I'm going to give it a green color because we typically use a green color for income. Then select the second one, press Ctrl T, my table has headers, and then click OK. I'm going to give it orange design. So now I want to give it names. So this table is for income and this one is for expense. The third and final step is a function which we use to show data or show data from different range, right? So this is indirect function. So indirect function take a values and then check there is a range or not, and it will show that all the data from that range. Now you can see it gives us an error because we don't have anything here. I'm going to type income. Now you see the data from income range. Where is this one? If I change the value expense, now it will show data from the expense table or expense range. Okay, we don't need these values here. I just want to clarify it for you. Select the whole column and then delete. Come here, select this range on category, click on data menu. Here click on data validations. Instead of any value, select list. Let's type this function indirect. Then we need this value C4, right? C3. Now you can see if I select a value from the first drop down menu, then you will see dynamic values for this value. If I change the value expense, now there is another unique list for expense value which depends on expense. Guys, this was all about creating dependent drop-down menus in Excel. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.